In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap TRC20 USDT in Trust Wallet. If you've ever found yourself unsure about how to move around assets within your crypto wallet, this guide is here to make things seamless and clear. By the end of this video, you'll be swapping tokens like a pro, efficiently and securely. First things first, you'll need to open the Trust Wallet app on your device. Once you have the app open, you'll instantly notice the diverse array of features it offers. Right on your screen, the primary options are send, receive, swap, buy, and sell, alongside your displayed tokens. Now, to start swapping TRC20 USDT, you want to focus on the swap feature. Simply tap on the swap icon. Once you're in the swap interface, you'll see two prominent fields labeled From and To. These are pivotal for the swapping process. In the From section, make sure to select USDT, which is the asset you currently hold and wish to exchange. Then, in the To section, select the token you want to receive in return. Trust Wallet supports a variety of tokens, so feel free to choose whichever meets your current needs or interests. After picking your desired token to swap to, it's time to enter the amount of USDT you wish to exchange. Be precise here and double-check the number you've input to avoid any mistakes. Once satisfied with your selection, go ahead and click the swap button. But what if you can't see USDT in your account? This issue can arise, and thankfully, there's an easy workaround. Head over to PancakeSwap via its web address, pancakeswap.finance. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange that complements Trust Wallet well. Once on PancakeSwap, follow a similar procedure. Make sure your wallet is connected to the site. You'll do this by selecting USDT in the Swaps From section. Then, choose the token you desire in the To section. Enter the amount you wish to swap and confirm the transaction by clicking Swap. A few extra tips to make this process more straightforward. Always ensure a stable internet connection, as this will help in better execution of your transactions. Keep an eye on transaction fees so you can account for them in your swaps and minimize surprises. Also, remember to double-check you're performing the transaction correctly when using a third-party service like PancakeSwap to ensure your exchanges go smoothly. With these steps and tips, your experience swapping TRC20 USDT in Trust Wallet should be easy and repeatable. With repetition, this will become second nature, effectively broadening your crypto management skills. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this. Until next time, happy swapping.